I'm just going to show you all the things that you need for the Polygel nails. So here we have a nail polish. What? Your battery low? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jo and Osis. If you're new to my channel, just hit that subscribe button down below and turn on post notifications to be notified whenever I release a new video. So anyone who knows me knows how much I love to try, keyword try, to do my own nails. Honestly, like a quick disclaimer, I'm not a professional whatsoever, like at all. I suck at doing nails, but I found something that makes doing nails so much easier. I believe anyone who is a beginner can use polygels on their nails. So if you want to see how I got these bad boys, just keep on watching. So these are all that you need for the polygel nail. Here I have like a gel polish. I have like a container for the slip solution. This is a nail primer, a couple of brushes. These are the forms, nail file. You might not need to, but just in case, I have all two out. And then the polygel I have in soft white and light pink. I'm gonna be mixing those two, and I'll show you how I mix them. And then I have acetone here. I don't have the slip solution. My slip solution finished, but acetone works just as well as the slip solution. Paper towels, and then I have a lamp over here. So what you want to do is like file the whole nail. I don't know if you can see, but you can see like there's like this like chipped off part, and make sure you file those chipped off parts away. So now I'm just like pushing my cuticles back, that way I can clean up on the edges of my cuticles. Next, you want to take some acetone on like a piece of paper towel and just clean up your nail. What usually helps a lot is like curling the nail form. Also cut with scissors right in the middle here, so just curl it and apply this onto our nail. And with this little piece, I don't know if this is what you're supposed to do with it, but I like to put it underneath here because every single time I kill my nails under the lamp, this piece somehow tends to come off. So I'm going to take the primer and just prime my nail. In this container I have the acetone. I don't know if you can see by my nails, like this ombre kind of a shape. I don't know if you can see, but it's like this pinkish darkish color, and then it goes white. I'm just going to show you how I got that effect. Now you're going to take your polygel in white, just about that. I think that is enough. I don't know, if it's not enough we can always come back. I'm going to put this on top right there. Oops, super messy. Like I said, I'm not a professional, so I'm gonna need a little bit more. So you're gonna dip your brush into the acetone and then start folding your nail. So this was cured under the lamp. Now I'm gonna take light pink and apply it underneath here. You guys, I will not stop saying this, but it is so difficult to record this. We need a little, that's a lot. I think that's a bit a lot. We just need like this. It's like still on my nails. It's like still. So you can like shape and be your own artist. I think that is okay. I'm gonna cure this again for 2 minutes in the lamp. Cure this for 2 minutes, and then after 2 minutes I went again to cure the whole nail for 2 minutes. I'm just gonna remove this. Let me show you what happens when I remove this. Let me show you. Do you see? There's like still liquid polygel underneath, so I'm gonna show you what I do. I'm gonna dip it into acetone, and then I'm just gonna like smooth it out, and then cure it again for 2 minutes into the lamp. Alright, so we've cured my nail. It's looking pretty thick. So this polygel does have like a sticky layer on top, so I'm going to use acetone to clean it up. So the next thing is filing your nails, shaping it to the perfect shape. I'm gonna shape it into this one. I don't know what this shape is, but I like it. So I'm gonna shape this nail into that. Alright guys, this is the final shape. I tried my best to like perfect it out. So now I'm gonna go over with the gel nail polish and like just brush it and swoop. So I'm going to cure this for 1 minute and then paint over a minute and then paint over the vinyl with 2 minutes. So guys, these are my final nails. This is a soak off gel, so make sure you guys soak off that sticky layer of the gel nails. So these are my nails. Really love them. Let me know if you guys want to see more beginner friendly nail videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have an awesome, wonderful, special, gorgeous day. Ooh.